Hello, I'm Daniel Hamby, and I am headed over to my mama's house, and she is going to teach me how to sew. I've got a bag of stuff right here that we're gonna see if she can help me with, and I want to know how to sew. If I've got something that needs repaired, I want to be able to know how to do it. So this video is going to go down in history for my great-great-grandbabies that my mama taught me how to sew something, and you can learn from this, hopefully. So this is going to be an instructional video for you. All right, I'd say let's get to it. Get in here and learn how to sew. Is this Corinne Hamby sewing school?
A Rubik's Cube school.
You learning to do that?
I can't learn it to save my
Joshua
leg.
can show you how.
No.
Joshua?
Yeah, no, he's the one that gave it to me.
Oh. All right, we're right here, sitting right here in Mama's sewing room. I'm Daniel Hamby. This is my mama, Corinne Hamby. Say hey.
Hey.
All right, she is going to teach me how to sew. And just to give you a little quick look of this is here's stuff. This is some stuff we're going to use here. This is the tomato that I brought her, not the one with the pin cushion, but the real. Don't stick your pin in that, because you got your regular pin cushion over there. All right, and then we've got some stuff. She's going to show me a simple way right here to start it off. Oh, we got a light too. Look, going to start that off. She's got a lot of stuff here under there and all that she uses. How do you turn it on?
You do it.
Okay. So there's your on button right here.
That turns it on.
Okay.
It's on.
So when the light's on, it's on. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is a Kenmore 12 something, by the way. 12 stitch.
Which is really a Sears brand.
Sears brand.
Sears brand.
Okay. So how long have you been sewing? How many years?
Oh my, I'd have to add it up since I was about 10.
It says 10. So around 66 years you've been sewing.
Probably.
Alrighty. So
I never did know when I didn't know how to sew.
You always knew how to sew. See, that back in the day, you mamas used to just teach you how to sew.
Yeah.
You know, you taught Sharon how to sew, didn't you?
Yeah.
All right. So what's the first thing that I need to know about sewing? What do I need to do?
One thing you need to know is be sure this thing is up.
Okay.
You turn it with this.
Okay. Let me see what you're doing here. Okay. You got to make sure you turn it with this. You turn this. Okay.
And be sure that thing is up.
And you make sure this is at the top.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure this thing.
Unless you really like to thread needles.
Okay. So what happens if you don't have that at the top?
It'll unthread your needle.
So you get it at the top. All right. Then what do you do? And what we're doing, we're going to take these two pieces right here, and we're going to sew these together. Is that right? We'll do something simple first. Okay.
I need to turn this right here.
If you wonder what's on my finger, I was replacing the ink in my printer, and I got ink on my finger.
Oh.
All right, so now what? Okay, that's what it looks here. Mash that down. Now, what does that do?
Push the pressure foot down.
That puts the foot down.
That holds the cloth foot to stay put.
Okay, so you put the foot down with the thing in the back. You're threaded. You got the foot down, and this is at the top.
In a little bit, I'll show you how to thread it.
Okay.
You would have to pull it. Pull the stop for a second. And that is how big the stitches is.
What does that mean? 12 what? What does that 12 mean?
Stitches per inch.
Okay, 12 stitches per inch.
You're going to change something. Turn this back up.
You get it back at the top again. Okay.
What
is this for here?
Oh, that's tension. You don't want to bother that.
No, leave it alone. What? Okay, well, let's don't worry about that yet.
Yeah, that's the kinds of stitches it is.
Okay.
I got it right here where it's on straight.
You got it on straight, and then you got it on 12 stitches per inch.
Or this is 24 per inch. That makes little teensy ones.
Okay.
If you're going to do a buttonhole, you put it down in here.
The buttonhole in there. Okay.
And this makes it bigger. That's what I was going to do. This makes it big.
Okay.
Make it really, let's see.
So all I do is just get my foot here.
Mash like gas.
And I simply just give it a little throttle. All right. And then this thing here.
If you need to know where you're sewing, you need to hold it.
Oh, I need to hold my thing.
You might decide to take off. See,
and you just kind of.
Let's stop a minute.
Okay.
Turn down
now we're gonna go. That's
make a little
we're gonna go
stitch down.
That's where
12.
it was. What if we go 24?
That makes a little bitty stitch.
Okay, now we're gonna go 24 here. Give it a little throttle. No, that's going real slow.
After you've been sewing, you don't have to hold it no more. That's when you first start.
Okay.
Take stop or you go run into this.
Okay. So once I get this part that I sewed
Hold it, look.
Oh man, I want to get a look at that in a second. Look at that. You can see where we went real little, right here.
Really?
That's 24, and then that's 12.
Mm-hmm. And 12
Pretty
is
cool.
what I usually sew at. You get a hold of the thread.
Okay.
Go back under here. Can you see it?
Okay.
Go down
Go around through here.
through here.
Down through here.
Back up again.
Back up again.
If this thing ain't sticking up good enough, you have to put it up.
Okay, get it at the top. Then what?
Go around this.
Ooh, okay. I wouldn't have known to do that.
Whoops.
Around the back side, and then it goes. So it goes in that.
Down through, then you go
You're
around
going down.
this.
Man, that's a lot of stuff to go through. Then what?
And then, I can't see what I'm doing. Just go around this right here.
Ooh, what's that? That's a little bitty thing there. Okay, around that.
And be sure it comes off thread unless you
Okay,
want to
now this thread on the bottom, what's it for?
that's the bobbin.
Does it stay there? Okay, we'll thread the bobbin in a minute. I hate that.
so
My
then
finger
you-
looks so bad.
You have to wet it.
You have to wet it.
They do make needle threaders.
And this is why the Bible says it's harder to get through the eye of a needle.
Yeah, it's really hard to get the hardest thing is getting the thread through the needle. I think the hardest part's getting the
Man.
needle through the thread through the needle.
That is really
That's the
hard.
hardest part. Well, and then you stick the piece of thread
Oh,
through,
that makes perfect sense.
through like
Then
this.
it pulls it through. That is a genius little thing
And
there.
then you just pull it back through and it's threaded.
Okay, let me try that with
That's
this.
what it's supposed to do, but I can't get back
let me
there
try
to do it.
Let me try.
I wonder how, I had never tried it before, but I wonder if you could take the needle out. Let me try something. This is how you take the
Okay.
needle out.
Oh, this is really hard here.
Take the needle out. You have to turn this thing here.
Okay. Oh, wait. Let me show you how to take the needle out.
Oh, right here. I already took it out though.
Okay, you just unscrew the thing.
Now it's got a flat side.
Hey, oh, it does.
See the feel of the flat
So,
side?
so the flat side
It goes
goes.
that way. Now,
Wait, which side's the flat
from
go?
the flat side, stick that thing through.
Wait, from the flat side. That's what we did right there.
And then you pull this out.
You just pull it, yeah, like that, and then there you go. Now
let's see if we can get the needle back in.
yeah, now show you how. Okay, this is how you, what do you call it? Thread the bobbin?
Thread the bobbin.
What is that?
This is how you take the bobbin out, which is usually after you thread it.
After you thread it.
This I'm showing you how to take it out.
See, that's complicated. Who would think about it? Now, how long does that bobbin last?
Until the thread runs out.
Is that, I mean, will it last a pretty good while?
Yeah, unless you got to change colors or what you're doing.
So as long as the color, what happens if you use two different colors?
You have to change this again. Oh, by the way, this machine here it'll take two kinds of bobbins,
Okay.
and this is one of them. So that other machine, my new one.
Okay, so
go
you
through this little hole here,
go through that hole,
Go around.
round it.
come back up here. You
Okay,
can
through
hear
that.
it click.
Okay, I see it. Okay.
Then you get a hold of this.
What is that?
You gotta find it. Oh, it's on the left side.
All right. And then you.
It's true. It feels funny to do it on this side.
Oh. Okay. Once you get it around through there.
Hold it here, so I'm holding it.
Mm-hmm.
Then you put it in here,
You just get it and put it right.
and you can hear it when it clicks in. If you don't get it right, it won't sew.
Okay. So once you got the bobbin in there, then what do you do?
Hold the thread.
Man,
That pulls it back up through here.
how does it do that? That is really amazing. Never figured that out.
And then that's when you hold the threads after a while. You
Okay.
put this back up. Oh, by the way, when I got it out, this is how you do a sleeve.
Oh yeah. Over that. Okay. Okay. So then you get
Put
this.
back on.
Put that back
I
on.
always take that off.
Take
Just
that
in
off.
here.
Okay.
Just put it somewhere. You don't want to unthread it again. We don't want to go through that again.
All right. So what is it you're getting ready to do?
Show you how to do a bobbin. Fill up a bobbin.
Okay.
I put this dark thread up here so we can see it good.
Wait a minute. I thought that was the bobbin.
We're going to fill up a new one.
Oh, how you fill up a bobbin.
Uh,
So this is the way you fill a bobbin.
and then you go around this thing here.
Man, you know, this thing's complicated. Who would have ever thought
And
this
then,
thing was so
this is
complicated?
that other kind of bobbin.
So you fill your own bobbins.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Why would you not?
I guess that's true. Okay. All right, so you got your little bobbin holder.
You can run it through that hole, but I found it works just as good just to hold it.
Okay.
You know, like a winch does on a truck.
Exactly. Okay,
I
cool.
Hold it.
Okay.
I hold it, but you can put it through that hole. Go around a few times to be sure it don't come off.
Okay, then you put your bobbin
Get
on the
here.
bobbin on this.
Oh, I've got to you turn this.
What do you turn this
Turn
for?
this to keep that from going.
Oh, what is
So
this?
You hold this.
What's happening right here? You're holding that. Why do you do that? What's happening when you do that?
That keeps this down here from going.
Okay, it keeps that from going. Basically, you're kind of putting it out of gear.
Yeah, and turn this, push this over here. See, it works.
That is so cool.
It works just exactly.
So it's coming off of this, going around this, and it's literally filling up the bobbin. That is so cool. Look at that. You don't need a whole bobbin. So, okay, so that's the way to fill the bobbin.
I got kind of ahead of myself, and then you put it in that.
Gotcha. Well, anyway, that's not a problem. No problem. Okay.
It's all filled up.
All filled up. Okay, so
it's not filled up. It'd go up here if it did.
Right now, I feel like I can pretty much sew something. So you got this, got that.
And try your best not to unthread it.
Not to unthread it, because if you unthread it, you know what goes on. All right, you got a problem with that.
But when you change colors, like all this stuff over here, if you change colors, you have to do that all over again.
Yeah. Oh yeah, if you forget to tighten that, then you're not going to do nothing. Don't forget to tighten the wheel right to put it back in from bobbin gear back down to foot sewing gear. All right, what is this little button here that says reverse? Why do you have reverse?
Oh, I'll show. Oh, in case you want to reverse something like this. I just got in the habit. I always hold it. See if you're going sewing something. And mash this backwards.
So you can go back and forth, back and forth.
You do that usually at the beginning of a steam, and you go down to the end of the steam, and then you do it again.
Okay. You know what? I think you have taught me how to thread a sewing machine. This is a Kenmore.
One thing I didn't show you how to do, but
what?
You don't need to.
What? Well, what?
How to zigzag.
Ooh, we do need to know how to zigzag. What do you use zigzag for?
Is easy. I zigzag a lot on the patch.
All right, show me how to zigzag. A patch? Why a patch? Just to make it stronger?
Yeah.
Yeah, my GoPro
zigzag.
filled up or something, so now I'm videoing with my telephone. Okay, you put this thing on zigzag. All right.
All these are zigzaggings. Little bitties are really big.
They're all zigzaggings, okay?
I put that on one.
All right, I want to see a really big zigzag. Ooh, how does that do that?
That's the way you
do it again. Do it again when I've got here. Look at that needle.
Show it back here where it zigzags.
All right, that's a good shot right there. Go ahead and move it a little bit.
That's what I usually do with a patch.
It's really cool. All right.
Go back a little.
You can back a little bit. Now, when you go back, like I said, it locks it in. Yeah. So, okay.
So don't come unsewed.
All righty.
But you don't forget. Put it back on.
Yeah.
Put it back on.
Don't forget to go back, because if you forget, then you're going to be zigzagging something you don't want to zigzag.
And then you got to get your seam ripper out and rip it out.
Yeah. Well, anyway.
This is kindergarten.
This is kindergarten for the sewing. This is
sewing lesson.
Sewing lesson. That's right. All right. Signing off. You know what? Sewing makes you happy, don't it?
Oh yeah.
It's
something I can do.
Something you can do, because
some people can't.
Yeah. Here we are, and I think Mama has showed me how to sew. Gave me my first sewing lesson, and right now we're using this old sewing machine here. But come to find out, there's a lot of new ways to sew, ain't there?
Yeah, they are. They got computers on them now.
Computers. But right now you have 4 great grandbabies, and they can watch this video and learn how to sew themselves, and they're great grandbabies.
Oh my.
Ooh, what year will it be? Right now it's 2015. Can you believe that?
Oh my.
Well, so anyway, right now for your sewing lesson, how to sew, right here from Daniel Hamby, and Corinne Hamby, my mama, showed us how to sew. So I hope you enjoyed it, and you have a wonderful day. I'm Daniel Hamby, and right now I'm going to show you how to sew up Sonia's panties, right here. Yep. Now we're going to sew them up. We got a little hole.
She's going to be mad at you.
All right.